1986 Ford F-150, affectionately known as Old Blue. And we call it Old Blue, of course, because it's painted blue and it's old. It's got a nice Warren 8000, some Jegs looking brush guard, 31-inch Super Swampers, and a 300 straight 6 that I'll start for you now. As you can tell, the thing runs pretty smooth. Try to get some action shots later of it. Hood's all out. This is a beautiful engine compartment. Gorgeous. Needs new belts. That's what you hear there. And needs new vanes on the, or actually it needs a whole new power steering pump. That one's wore out. Other than that, good running old truck.